Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Learning. In this class we are going to see the topic number 7, that is f of x is equal to x to the power of n into cos ax or x to the power of n into sin ax. So in the time linear equation with constant coefficients. So let's begin. So in this problem we are asked to solve d square plus 4 into y equal to x into sin x. So this is in the format of x into sin x to the power of n into sin x format, is it? So leave it first, and when such problem comes we are asked to solve, so automatically we have to find complementary function and also particular integral. Both the values we have to find out. So before beginning the problem, let me find the complementary function as always. So it is easy. We have solved many problems, and I'm just taking an overview, taking auxiliary equation of f of d. F of d is d square plus 4. So auxiliary equation is m square plus 4 is equal to 0. That implies m square equal to minus 4. That implies m equal to square root of minus 4. That implies, so square root of minus 4, right? So it becomes plus or minus 2i. So it's in the format of plus or minus 2i. So this is an imaginary number. So for the imaginary condition, we know complementary function formula is e to the power alpha x into a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. And applying that formula, we get complementary function is equal to e to the power alpha x. What is alpha value here? We don't have any alpha. So alpha value is 0. So we can omit this term. No need to write e to the power alpha x. Do we have any beta value? Yes. Beta is equal to 2. So directly writing a cos beta is equal to 2. So a cos 2x plus b sin 2x. So this is a complementary function for this problem. So I am just rewriting the complementary function here. Complementary function is a cos 2x plus b sin 2x. So complementary function is found. Now our task is to find out the particular integral. By finding both this problem will be completed. So let me find the particular integral. Now we have to continue with the particular integral, and we know the formula to find particular integral is equal to pi is equal to 1 by f of d into capital X normally, but here we do have a form in the format x to the power n into sin x. Okay, let me write that format first. F of d into capital X, that is equal to 1 by f of d is equal to d square plus 4 into capital X is the right hand side, that is x sin x. Okay, so now we are going to explain one most important thing in this problem, because that is, normally we have a single time in every problem. Here we have the multiplication of x into sin x. So in such conditions or in such problems, we have to do it a little different. That is, we have to taking x into sin x, right? We do have a formula. We have to apply the formula first before getting into solution. So the formula is x into. Before that I will tell you, I am taking this d square plus 4 as f of d. So we know already it is f of d. I am taking the first time as x, and taking the second time sin x as capital V. Okay, clear? Or otherwise I can write it here. I am taking this d square plus 4 as f of d, taking this x as x itself, and taking sin x as capital V. Now I am writing the formula, that is x into 1 by f of d into capital V minus f dash d by f of d whole square into capital V. So this is the formula. By applying these terms in this formula, we will get into a form that can be solved. So let me apply. So small x is equal to x itself. So I am writing x 1 by f of d. F of d is d square plus 4. D square plus 4 into capital V. Capital V is sin x. So into sin x minus f dash of d. That means f dash of d square plus 4 by f of d whole square. That is d square plus 4 whole square into sin x. That is equal to x into 1 by d square plus 4 into sin x minus f dash of d square becomes d square becomes 2d and 4 becomes 0. So 2d by d square plus 4 whole square. This is in the format of a plus b whole square. So applying the formula, I will get d to the power of 4 plus 2 4s are 8 into d square. 8d square plus 4 square 16 into sin x. So this is not the completion of the problem. Now we got into the step where this can be solved. Only by applying this formula and getting into this condition, we can solve this problem. So let's continue. So now again back to the ancient formula. Now this is a format of x into 1 by d square plus 4 into sin ax minus 2d by this time into sin ax. So when we have the condition sin ax, we have to replace d square by minus a square. So let me write replacing d square by minus a square. Is it? So here the value of a is equal to 1. Just it is sin x. So a equal to 1. Here also the value of a equal to 1. So let me write by applying this value x into 1 by d square. D square replacing by minus a square means minus 1 square. So here a square is equal to minus 1 square. That is equal to minus 1. So replacing 1 by minus 1 plus 4 into sin x minus 2d by d to the power of 4. I can also write it as d square into d square. Is it? D to the power 4 is equal to d square into d square. That means minus 1 into minus 1 plus 8 into d square means 8 into minus 1 plus 16 into sin x. That is equal to x into 1 by minus 1 plus 4. That is equal to 1 by 3 into sin x minus 2d by minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 8 into minus 1 minus 8 plus 16 into sin x. That is equal to x by 3 into sin x minus 2d by 1 minus 8 minus 7. Minus 7 plus 16 plus 9 into sin x. Again by going on solving this problem, I can write this as x by 3 into sin x. So we don't have any d time here, differentiation time. So writing as it is, x by 3 into sin x minus 2 by 9 into d into sin x means differentiation of sin x, that is cos x. So in the both terms we have 3s common. So we can take 3s common either, or we can write as it is, also not a problem. So this is the particular integral. So we have found the particular integral for this problem, x by 3 into sin x minus 2 by 9 into cos x. So this is the particular integral of this problem. So let me write the particular integral on the top. So the particular integral is x by 3 sin x minus 2 by 9 cos x. So the complete solution y equal to CF plus PI, that is a cos 2x plus b sin 2x plus 2 by x minus 2 by 9 cos x. So this is the complete solution for this problem, that is y equal to a cos 2x plus b sin 2x plus x by 3 sin x plus 2 by 9 cos. Hope everyone understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. So today with this video and with this topic, our linear equation with constant coefficients is completed. So we have explained 8 topics in this, and with the completion of this is completed, and we will be starting with module 2 in ordinary differential equation, that is method of variation of parameters. So see you in the next video with a fresh topic, that is method of variation of parameters. And thank you for your support and keeping on watching these videos and all. So thank you.